coming down to say hello to us? Whoa. Where'd he go? Heck to cheese, doesn't he? Where'd he go? Look what you stirred up there, squirrel. Bye-bye. He's gone, Skye. Way up at the top of the tree. Come on, girl. Let's go see another one. This way. Come around. Come around. Wrong way, Skye. That's a good girl. This way. We'll go find another one. She spotted another squirrel on the limb of this cedar tree. Squirrel knows we're here. This guy's pulling hard. If I give her a little bit of leash, she's gonna go charging. Let me see if I can ease in. Skye, you be good. Just watch. This little guy's eating. This woods is full of squirrels. Maybe he's getting bark off the tree for his nest. Whoa, oh, there he goes. He's gone, Skye. Whoa. He's gone. Come back. Good girl. She's having nothing of it. We're at Railroad Bridge Park and making our way to the river, the Dungeness River. Watch my step. It's a little rough here. Skye, slow. She's thirsty. What are you doing, Skye? Wants to chew on a stick. Water's really clear. Oh, Skye wants something. What do you want, Skye? Something's been chewing up the stick. Would it be a critter or a dog? Where are you going with that, Skye? Well, I guess you need some fiber in her diet, huh? Creative, artistic, natural stuff. Oh, Skye. Someone put a dime on there and some pennies. Okay. I wonder what the symbolism is for. It's gotten a little breezy here in Sequim. Blew out all the clouds, which is good. And it's so wet, there's no risk of wildfires. Maybe it's time to take down the Christmas decorations. No wind right here, yet you can see the clouds move. Squirrel alert. Where are you? It's a little path here. Not a main trail, but cleared by the surveyors of the future reservoir. Where'd he go, Skye? I can see Skye running around.
Oh, I see branches.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Oh,
Coming down and going
there he
up
is.
the other tree.
There he is. Whoa. Oh, there he goes.
I see him, Skye. Good job.
Got an itch. She is thirsty. That was a workout, Skye. Good job.
What a great feeling to have that water back.
Onward to more adventures. Somewhere in that thicket. Nice to have some sunshine. Well, her bark is taking her this direction, so it is on our way back. We'll just follow her bark. There she is. Came out of nowhere. Good girl. Did you find that squirrel? Of course she did. More drink. She's wet from all the rain-soaked bushes. Full sun now. Wow, beautiful. Let's go. I'll do this water walk. There she comes. Family out for a walk. One more walk in the canal. This way, Skye.
She was doing that to give Mom, dignity and privacy. But when he said count backwards, remember you can do 7 each time. No, it's sunny. Look at that beautiful red clouds moving fast. Lots of blue splash shining. Really pretty. But yeah, they were really good. Really good. When I drove home yesterday, I had sunshine all the way.
It's a beautiful morning. The sun adds so much dimension. When it comes low like this, it illuminates the trunks of the trees and even the ground foliage. Whereas in the middle of summer, not the case. Skye, what you doing? Come on. This way.
Yes, she has.
Let's go.
Didn't travel for that with a big piece of
Oh, uh-oh. Oh, stop. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. There's the little
This is her bib.
Good girl.
And that worked good. People are on the trail with their bikes. And they've got their dog. The bike has a bell on it, so you know they're coming. That's a big step for us.
Well, lots of cars now. We were the only one when we got here.